Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with the nice freebies. So if anybody is new here, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and tap that notification bell so that you'll get the notification whenever I upload a video, and you can just snag these deals instantly. So just do follow me guys. So yeah, I did some deals from Walgreens, some are from CVS, and just one deal is from Target guys, and that too is a repeat deal. And guys, today there's a free Taco Bell Chalupa box in their app. If you already have an account, just open it. The offer will directly pop up on the screen. I didn't share it because for me it did not work out guys. It was saying busy. I don't know, due to high volume or something. Some people were able to grab. So if at all you are able to grab, then you're lucky guys. And that Uber Eats worked out perfectly. I ordered all my free food and enjoyed it too. So just try that Taco Bell free chalupa box once. If you can redeem it, it's good. So yeah, let's jump into the video. So the first deal is on this Nivea guys. If at all you have done this Swagbucks deal in the past, you will know, but still I'll explain once. Usually this was there like a week or 2 weeks ago. And guys, if you're new to Swagbucks and wanted to sign up, you can use my referral code, which I'll be posting in the description box. So you have to buy 5 of those, and Swagbucks is giving back $10. So each is priced at 79 cents at Target. And just a second guys. So yes, this is my total guys. So each at 79 cents, and the total was 395. With tax it was 432. So in total I paid 432, but then got back from Swagbucks $10 like that too instantly. So which makes all these 5 of them for free, and $5.68 money maker, which is really amazing guys. And this is there only for one more day guys. It expires in one more day, so just hurry up and do this deal guys. And next I'll talk about Walgreens guys. But before talking, I just got this coupon after doing the deal. Maybe if at all I can do some deal related to Dow, maybe I'll use it in the future. So first deal I wanted to talk is about this Old Spice body spray guys. Why I wanted to talk first about this is I got $4 registry reward for this, which I use for my next transaction right there. So each one is priced at $6.29, but in on this week, I mean like in this week, sorry guys, so in this week two are priced at 2 for 10. So you're going to buy 2 for 10. And guys, make sure you grab this body spray, like which says body spray, because there's also I bought a deal where you'll get $1.25 back on each. And guys, if you don't know what Ibotta is, it's a cashback app where you can get cashback for scanning the grocery receipts. And if you're new to Ibotta, please use my referral code, which I'll be posting here. So I'll just walk through that transaction first. Yes guys, so this was the transaction. So 2 for 10. There's a manufacturer coupon for $4 in app, in Walgreens app, which takes off $4, and then you'll pay $6 out of pocket, or you can even use points. You can use points and still get registered reward guys, as far as I know. So I paid $5 in points, and I paid $1 out of pocket, but then I got back $4 register reward for both of these. And I got $1.25 on each, which is equal to $2.50. So I paid $6 but got back $6.50 in total, which makes it completely free and a 50-cent money maker. And I immediately used this register reward on the next transaction guys. So my next transaction was on this CoverGirl Catty Cat gloss. Sorry guys. Yes, and this Dove body wash, as I showed you guys in my last videos, that body wash was not available, so I just grabbed this foaming body wash, as it is same price and having the same promotion, buy one get one 50% off. And these CoverGirl lip glosses were $2.39 each, and in IVC booklet there's a $4 of two, which makes it 39 cents each. So I'll just show that receipt too. So yes guys, Dove I used buy one get one free, so it was already on sale for buy one get one 50% off. And this cover girl in total was 478, but took off $4, making it 78 cents. Then I used my Dove $6 manufacturer coupon, buy one get one, which took off $6. I am lucky because for some people it did not take off $6. So yeah, it took off $6. And the registered reward from this, which is $4, took off $4, making my total $2.06. But then guys, I got back, 1 second guys, yes, I just then got back 100 points for doing this two, buying these 200 bonus points for 1000 bonus points for buying these two. And I also got back 5000 points guys, which you cannot see it here, but I immediately called the customer care and they gave me back my 5000 points. And the 5000 points why I got is that I have to spend $10 each for on 2 different trips, then I'll get 5000 points. If at all it's there on yours, it will work too. So basically I just paid $2 guys. That too I used a point, and as I already said, points are just money makers. I will never calculate points as cash, they're just money makers. So I just used that $2000 points from that, making them completely free guys. So that was really exciting. And the next deals are from CVS guys. 1 second. Yep, so the next deal is on this, yeah, this Garnier guys. Oh my god, it's not focusing. Yeah, Garnier Skin Active. This is priced at $10.39 guys, but I was having a $4 off any skin products, so I just thought of grabbing this, which was on clearance for $2.39. But what happened is, yes, this is $2.39, right guys, but it was not scanning, it was scanning the full price. So I didn't even ask anything. She just said that, like, if at all the price on the shelf and price in the app does not match, they said they'll just give it for free. I don't know why, I didn't even ask guys, but I don't know whether if it's a policy or not. So she just made the subtotal 0, and I just paid 22 cents tax, which is really amazing guys, because this is a $10.39 product. So hopefully I'll just try this mask plus scrub. Yes, and I'm happy to get that one. And the last one is on this one guys. This is not a specific deal on this one. I was just having a $2 extra buck, so with tax these both were $2.18. So that 2 extra bucks took off. I didn't do anything guys, because I don't do any couponing at CVS. I just got $2 and I just $2 in extra buck, and I just used them. So that $2 took off $2, and I just paid 18 cents for both of this, or yes, 9 cents for each, which is very good. And that too, it's coconut water, so I'm really happy about that. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll see you guys in the next video with the nice more freebies. And I'm not trying to do this, I bought a bonus these days guys. I don't know why, I'm not much interested, but I'll be back to back. Even though I'm just doing all the freebie deals, I'll also try to do this bonus, because I'll get $5 back if I do 24. So maybe I'll do, and if at all I do, I'll definitely share guys. So yeah, bye guys, take care, have a good day.